Hello friends, my name is Augustine Asiedu. If you are new here, consider subscribing to my channel because we are going to talk about programs of our various universities in Ghana, and we will get to know the career opportunities we have within the programs, because getting to know the career opportunities within the program is going to help you to apply to that particular program so that it will help you prepare you for the career opportunity you want to exploit or the kind of business you want to do. So if you are new here, consider subscribing. If you're also here already, or if you're a subscriber, I appreciate your efforts of keeping this channel going and moving forward. So consider subscribing and sharing to your friends so that we all be addressed, or will be aware of the programs we have in our various universities before we apply. Today we are going to talk about one program that is helping all of us. In fact, it's helping every one of us in our various companies, so that is Bachelor of Commerce with an accounting option. Bachelor of Commerce, accounting. This is the program we are going to talk about today, and it is Bachelor of Commerce Accounting. When you go to UCC, this is what they do. This program is for UCC, University of Cape Coast. So if you want to go to Cape Coast to have a program that specializes in accounting, not accounting education, accounting alone. So UCC does Bachelor of Commerce Accounting, Bachelor of Commerce Marketing, Bachelor of Commerce Human Resources, Bachelor of Commerce Management. So if you are interested in accounting and performing any accountancy rules in any financial institution or any institution that you want to work with, in fact, UCC is going to prepare you for that career opportunity. If you also want to go to KNUST or Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology, they also have it as Bachelor of Administration. Then you have an accounting option, or Bachelor of Science, Business Administration. Then you have accounting as your area of specialization. So it is up to you to go to either UCC or University of Ghana or Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology, and Akintinapia Minka University of Science, University of Akintinapia Minka University of Skills, Training and Entrepreneurial Development. Also have accounting programs over there, so you can try Amstead. So it's a very nice school. Consider applying, and in fact, you'll enjoy the experience over there. So let's look at some of the career opportunities we have within this program, of which UCC is offering. All right. If you complete this program successfully, you are capable of becoming an accountant. You are capable of becoming an accountant in all organizations, whether in somebody's store or whether in somebody's provision store, supermarket, or even your own business. You are capable of becoming an accountant. However, as soon as you complete school, you don't expect to jump into somebody's position or to perform any accountancy role when you are just coming out from university. So there's a possibility that you become an accounting assistant. Accounting assistant. So becoming an accounting assistant is going to help you learn from the accountant that you went to meet. So if you have any accountant already, then consider applying for accounting assistant so that you will learn from them and you also know how things are done. However, when you go to UCC's level 200, level 300, you will be going for attachment, so you get to know how the working places are. Things get done at the working places as compared to what you learn at your lecture rooms or lecture halls. So that's that for you. You can also become a bookkeeper. Bookkeeper actually records or organizes and manages all transactions that take place daily. So if you're a bookkeeper for a particular company or your store or your shop, you just take accounts or the records of all the transactions that takes place within the day, or like that goes on every day. So as a bookkeeper, you are going to help the accountant to make his or work easier. So as you keep records of all the transactions that occur or that happens within the day, then you make the accountant's work so easy for him. Let's take another one, and that is budget analyst. Budget analyst. Budget analyst. Budget analyst. Budget analyst. If you are in a company or in a business and you want to do anything with money, if you want to venture into a new business, if you want to come into the new project, in fact, there must be a budget. There must be an analyst who makes sure that the company is not going to incur loss after initiating that project or even completing it. So there must be a budget analyst who will come out with all the necessary information to make the project or the business cost effective so that you don't incur loss. Okay, all right. There must also be a financial analyst, financial analyst, financial analyst, financial analyst. In fact, everybody wants to manage his or her wealth or money properly, but it becomes very difficult when you don't know the financial analysis that you need to do to improve your financial savings or investment. So these people will help you to do proper management of your money and to help you invest your money for it to grow subsequently. So as a matter of fact, financial analysis help us to plan on how to manage our finances, how to put them in investment and other stuff. So you help us to keep proper management of our finances. All right. So you can also work in insurance companies. You can also work in insurance companies. Insurance companies. When you complete this program, you can also work in insurance companies. So provided you have the requisite knowledge they need at that particular place they are putting you. So working in insurance companies is also possible for you, and in fact you can even start your own business over there. You can also become an internal auditor. Internal auditor. Internal auditor. Internal auditor. A lot of businesses have a lot of departments in the same business. So as we have a lot of departments in our business, we need to have auditors within the company to audit the financial status of all the departments, or to audit the activities that goes on in businesses. So internal auditor help us to do all those things. So if you want to apply for this program, look at all these kind of opportunities you have so that you can choose from them and to focus and you get to know where exactly you are going when you are completing. All right, you can also work as an actuary or actuary. These people manage rates. They manage rates. So they use information or data gathered to analyze or to collect them, to organize them, and to make decisions to predict risks that can happen to a particular business. So if they know all those things, then they prevent the business, or they predict for the business to know that this is possible to happen. So they need to stay out of that. Okay? All right. We have people who can work in tax revenue, Ghana Revenue Authority, and you can become a tax preparer. Yes, you can prepare tax for individuals and businesses so that they know exactly how much they deserve to pay or what they're supposed to pay. And you can also work in GRA, which is Ghana Revenue Authority, in case of any job opportunity or any job vacancy within that particular commission or agency in the country. So you can work in Ghana Revenue Authority provided you have the connection. You can also work in financial ministry or Ministry of Finance provided you have the right names or the right connection. Ministry of Finance. You can also work in credit unions. You credit unions. And I know most of you are waiting for me to write banks, so you can also work in banks as an accountant or as an accounting clerk, as whatever it is, banker, management accountant. You can work in all those places. You can also work as estimator, cost estimator, cost estimator, cost estimator is more or less like the budget analyst, but you actually record all the costs incurred in the business, and you also show it for managerial decisions, and you bring out the best possible thing that we're supposed to do to make sure that our business is cost effective. You can also work as a marketer. You can also work as marketer. You can also work as marketer, but you don't expect to work like those who are having a degree in marketing. In fact, when you are doing business courses or business programs at the university, you get introduction of all other business aspects or all other business fields. So, like if you are doing accounting, first 2 years you'll be doing your university programs and then the departmental programs. So, as though you are an accounting student, you have a little bit of management, a little bit of accounting, a little bit of taxation, a little bit of human resources, project management. You have a little bit of all those things, but you just go and specialize at one place. So we have a lot of job opportunities in accounting, and if you want to apply, make sure that you get a better grade. If you want to go to UCC for this program, in fact, if you want to go to UCC for this program, it's 12, but sometimes they change it, they extend it, or they even bring it down. So check it from their website, and I also put it at my page. So if you have a better grade, 12 or a better, then you can apply. If you also get like 15, you can still apply. If you want to go to KNUST, it's straight up like 10, like from 6 to 9. You have to get it like Bachelor of Science, Business Administration, Accounting at KNUST. You have to get like 6 to 10 so that you apply. If you want to go to University of Ghana, apply it, because that place, the cutoff point is mostly a little bit better than KNUST. But UCC is also having a better cutoff point. So consider applying there. And I can tell you, Kantu is also accepting. So check that one too. In fact, it's a new university. They just became autonomous not too long ago. So they don't really care about your grade, but the only thing that you need to know is to pass your WASI. So if you are able to pass, then consider applying to Akintina Piaminka University of Skills Training and Entrepreneurial Development at Kumasi or Mampong campus, so that you'll be admitted. Thank you. Until we meet again, have a nice day.